welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and today I'm going to do a video that I've been wanting to do for literally so long. So if you are new to my channel, you do not know that I have an insane obsession with the Kardashians. It's actually like really unhealthy, and I literally just want to do and be whoever and everything that they do. So today I'm going to be eating like Kourtney Kardashian. If you don't know, Kourtney started this blog called Poosh, and she uploads all her healthy recipes and all of her like lifestyle stuff. So I'm going to be following recipes and stuff that she's written and other things from her website. So I really thought this would be interesting, and I'm going to eat like Kourtney and see if I like it or how I feel and stuff like that, because she kind of is the health queen. So I'm going to be following everything that she does. This morning I'm going to start my day out like how she said in her Vogue morning routine video.
And while I'm sitting here, I'm gonna drink my avocado smoothie.
She starts every single day out with her avocado smoothie. So I'm gonna go have the avocado smoothie. After that, I have to run because I have to go to the SAT this morning. Everyone pray for me. I'm taking it today. I hope I get a good score. It's my second time taking it, and I really don't want to do it again after this. So I'm going to take the SAT, and then I will be back for lunch to update you guys on how everything is going. So see y'all later.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view. Yeah, we live and we lie.
You guys, so I wasn't expecting to vlog, so I'm sorry this is on my phone. I just finished my ACT. I'm like so out of it. Everyone's staring at me because I'm filming myself in my car. But you guys, let me tell you, the avocado smoothie kept me full for the entire test. I was not hungry once. Oh my god, this guy's coming. As I was saying before those guys came up, literally kept me full the entire ACT. Normally when I take the SAT, I'm hungry halfway through, like I really need food, but I was not hungry throughout the entire test, which is literally insane. Probably from the insane amount of avocado that is in that smoothie. Like Kourtney, that's a lot of avocado, but I was not hungry at all, and like I'm still honestly not, I'm still pretty full. Like I could eat, trust me, like I will probably eat lunch, but like I'm not that insanely full compared to like how I normally would be. So I guess that's really good, just throwing it out there. So yeah, now I'm on my way back home from the SAT, and I'm gonna have some lunch, and maybe I'll do a workout. Depends on how I feel. I'm supposed to be on taper for swimming, but it's like our first day, so I feel like it's fine if I work out one last time. I don't know. I'll figure it out, and I'll talk to you guys later.
And we fly, and we win, and we lose. So for now, let's all enjoy this view. Let it be. Let it be as it is. Remember me.
So I just got back from the SAT, and I had Kourtney's lunch. So her lunch is really interesting. I know that the Kardashians love this place. It's called Health Nut. It's out in LA. And I found on People that Kourtney gets the chef salad, but she gets the chef salad without pretty much any of the toppings. So it's basically a bowl of lettuce with shredded turkey and sunflower seeds. And I didn't see a dressing on it, so I had my leftover chicken on top with sunflower seeds. It was pretty bland, but luckily my chicken was seasoned well, so that was good. But I feel like if it was with just turkey, I'd be really disappointed. Although the pumpkin seeds added a nice crunch. But I'm feeling good, feeling full. And my sister and I are gonna go work out. Right now we're supposed to be on taper for swimming. If you don't know what tapered is, it's just like a period of rest before you have, like, we're going into our competition season, so we're not supposed to like work out or do any kind of high intensity stuff because we're supposed to put our body through rest. But this is our first day of taper, and although I really want my steak cut, I really want to work out because I don't get to do my workouts anymore. But my sister and I agreed that we're going to go do an hour of incline walking with 10 minutes of abs, and that's going to be our workout for the day. So I'm going to go do that, and I will see you guys after I finish working out. Maybe I'll do some of Kourtney's ab moves. Who knows? I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do some Kourtney ab moves. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. So you guys, it is much later now. It's about 4 o'clock. I ate lunch around 1. My sister and I, we went incline walking. Let's just say, Ava, what were your thoughts?
Very underrated.
It's
severely underrated.
severely underrated. My legs were burning. We burnt like 600 or 500 calories, which was really taper stupid, but we did it anyway, so that's good. But anyway, I can't find anywhere that it says that Kourtney eats snacks. I don't know if she does. I'm kind of just waiting around for dinner. I'm honestly not too hungry. Lunch was pretty filling. My chicken and pumpkin seed salad. But I do want dessert because I love dessert and I can't live without it. And it doesn't say that Kourtney eats dessert, but I did go on Poosh and I found this recipe, if it will focus, please. It's the vegan and gluten-free chocolate chip cookie dough, and I'm gonna make this right now. I'm going to eat it tonight after dinner because I want dessert. Ava, do you wanna help me?
Not really.
Nice.
And we are live.
Okay, can you get me out the cups, Ava?
No. Where are they?
They're right below you. Our recipe calls for a half cup of coconut flour.
You have to do all the fun stuff like the brushes. Leave mom stuff.
Okay, so that was a half cup of coconut flour. How do I close this shit? 2 tablespoons of cocoa. She says cocoa powder, but she says cacao is fine. Okay. 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. I love this stuff. If you've never heard of monk fruit sweetener, it's literally just, it's like a 0-calorie sugar, and it tastes and looks exactly like granulated sugar, and it's my everything. I love it so much. So 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can also use agave or honey if maple syrup isn't your jam. I use this sugar-free one. I really like it. It's really nice that it's sugar-free. 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So I'm just gonna eyeball that because I don't feel like getting out my teaspoon. So 1.5. 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Sis. Ah! This is really full. Okay, that was more than what it called for, but that went everywhere. I'll clean up after this. Okay, sorry mom, if you're watching. I'm gonna try it. Yo, no, it's bomb. That's good. That's really good. Okay. This is so good. I'm gonna make this into little ball shapes, clean up, and take a bath, and I'll probably have dinner in like an hour or an hour and a half. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it's currently 7 o'clock. I've literally not been hungry since lunch, but I feel like I should have some sort of dinner so I don't like starve when I'm sleeping tonight. So I'm gonna have some dinner. It said, I think it was People magazine that said that Kourtney likes to normally have, she's low carb, she's keto obviously, but she likes to have some sort of protein, either salmon or chicken, with any kind of carb replacement. She does cauliflower rice. Luckily for me, we had spaghetti squash last night, so it looks like I'm having that tonight, which actually works out perfectly. And sometimes when she wants to treat herself, she'll have sweet potato, and I love sweet potato, so I'm also gonna have sweet potato. So I'm gonna make that, and I will show you guys once it's made. Okay, you guys, so I made like this. I decided to put it in a bowl because I love bowls. I made this like little pasta bowl. It has the chicken in there and the sweet potato, and spaghetti squash is literally the best thing ever. If you've never had it, make sure to try some spaghetti squash. And then I have some roasted veggies that I made last night. And then this morning, my mom made marinara sauce. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this homemade marinara sauce. I know Kourtney really likes tomatoes, and I know her nutritionist, or at least the nutritionist that Kim uses, Dr. Golia, really loves tomatoes. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of this on there. And oh my god, you guys, hold up. I'm literally a chef. Like, this looks so good. Hold on. One last like finishing touch. I have, where is she? My Himalayan pink salt. Like, I feel like all the health love this stuff, or all the health people love this stuff. I don't know, it's just, it's salt that's pink. But I'm gonna throw this on there and eat my dinner, and I will see you guys after I finish dinner. Okay, so you guys, I just finished dinner. The thing that I love about Kourtney's meals is like I'm full, but I'm not bloated. So it's like really, it's a really comfortable feeling. But now I still am a little bit hungry, like not too hungry, but I am going to have one of my little, one of my little protein balls I made earlier. It's really good. It turned out really good. Really actually enjoyed Kourtney Kardashian's diet. I thought it was really good. She has a really balanced diet. Obviously, it's like low carb because she's keto, but the entire day I felt full, never bloated, really satisfied after every meal. And she eats really whole foods and she eats really healthy, and I actually really enjoyed it. I may follow this for a couple of days or just incorporate some of the meals and stuff that she has in her diet. It's a little bit bland, like not gonna lie. I bet her like celebrity chefs make it a little bit better for her, but for me it was a little bland. It was just like veggies, but I'm used to eating that way, so like it was kind of normal, but I would have enjoyed more than chicken and pumpkin seeds on my salad today. But other than that, it was really great, and I really enjoyed it, and I love Kourtney and everything that she does, and I will always support whatever she does. That is the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give a like and thumbs up and do all those fun YouTube things because it really means a lot to my channel. I post every single week on Monday at 3 p.m. So if you'd like to see more, make sure to come back at that time for another video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.